Okay, look at this question. To simplify this, x squared minus 5x minus 14 all over x squared minus 9x plus 14. If you look at this question, you find out that this is a quadratic expression. It's a quadratic. It's not a quadratic equation, but it's what is an expression, a quadratic expression. The one under the denominator is also what? A quadratic expression. So because of that, it is very simple to do it. Let's see here how to solve it. Right, we have x squared minus 5x minus 14 all over s squared minus 9x plus 14. All right, the next thing, look at this. In a quadratic expression or quadratic equation, this has to be about it. Look for a number. Of course, there is one here on C, 1 multiplied by the last number, digit there. We have it to be the same number. 1 times 14, 1 times minus 14 give you minus 14. Then what we will be considering is minus 14 and the last number and the middle number. So minus 14 now, in this case, see here is only 1. So minus 14 in this case, and minus 5. So what number? Look at two numbers. Two numbers in such a way that when I sum these numbers, they will give me minus 5x. And when I multiply them, they will give me minus 14. These two numbers are what? It's just 7, minus 7 and plus 2. This is. For this one, it is minus 7 and plus 2. And I will replace them. So that minus 7 and plus 2, I will replace minus 5 with this minus 7 and plus 2. So I have x squared minus 7x plus 2x minus 14. You see? So minus 5x has been replaced with what? Minus 7x plus 2x, because minus 7x plus 2x will give us minus 5. So we are good to go. So what about the denominator? 1 is also here. 1 times plus 14 is 14. Then will be considering plus 14 and minus 9x. So what are these two numbers that when we sum them up, they will give us minus 9x. And then when we multiply them, they will give us plus 14. Of course, those two numbers are plus 7x and plus 2x. Sorry, minus, because here is plus, the last digit is positive, so the two numbers have to be plus two negative numbers. So we'll be having minus 7x and minus 2x. This is what I'm saying. S minus 7x minus 2x plus 14. Because minus 7x minus 2x will give us minus 9. Alright? Also, minus 7x, that is minus 7 multiplied by minus 2 will give us plus 14. So we are good to go. Now, in this case, when you have gotten here, you can now factorize. So I want to factorize. I've already started our factorization. So I have my x here. S times s will give me s squared. So I'm going to go 7. Then this other part, there are two parts. This is the second part now. The second part, I have to put 2 here. X minus 7. Now let's check. S times s equals to s squared. You see? S times minus 7 equals to minus 7x. That's it. Come here now. 2 times x equals to 2s. Alright. 2 times minus 7 equals to minus 14. That is good. Then the denominator part, we do the same here. X minus 7 minus 2 right now part x minus 7. Now let's check it again. Let's check it again. S times s is s squared. Is it? S times minus s times minus 7 is minus 7s, correct? Come here now. Minus 2 times x is minus 2s, is correct? Minus 2 times minus 7 is plus 14. That is very good. We are good to go. Now, when you have factorized this way, pick you can see that the terms in the bracket are not the same in each case. So pick the term in a bracket first, which is in this case we have minus s minus 7, and then now pick the term outside the bracket, x plus 2. That is for the numerator. Okay, what about for denominator? Pick the term inside the bracket first, minus 7, over terms outside the bracket, which is x minus 2. Alright. Now if you look at this is the same thing as this and this, they are multiplying themselves. So this multiplication. So this is the same thing as this one. We cancel themselves. So that we now have x plus 2 over x minus 2. This is the final answer. There is nothing to do about it again. So we stop here. This is how to go about um, solving questions like this. Thank you so much for liking this page. Please do well to follow and share. God bless you.